A little child by the name of David lived a long time ago in the country of Israel. He lived in the town of Bethlehem and was the youngest of 8 brothers. David was not your typical youngster. He was tasked with taking care of his father's sheep. He ensured that no harm came to the fields by spending his days and nights there. It was not an easy task, particularly when there was a risk. The sheep were frequently targeted by lions and bears, but David was a fearless man. He repelled them with only his staff and sling to save his flock. David enjoyed playing his harp when he wasn't among his sheep. Even the birds paused to listen to his exquisite playing. A wise man by the name of Samuel paid David a visit one day. God had revealed to Samuel that David will rule Israel as king in the future. As a result, Samuel anointed David, designating him for a crucial position. Meanwhile, a major issue was developing in a nearby valley. Both the Israelites and the Philistines, their adversaries, were getting ready for combat. Goliath was the monstrous warrior of the Philistines. He was more powerful than a bear and taller than any man. Goliath challenged the Israelites to send a warrior to face him every day, but they were all too terrified. David once went to his brother's location in the Israelite army to deliver food to them. He was shocked to see that everyone was terrified of Goliath. David declared, "I'll take on Goliath. God kept me safe from bears and lions while I looked out for my sheep. He'll now defend me." David received armor from the king, but it was too heavy. David made the decision to utilize merely some stones and his sling. David picked up a stone, put it in his sling, and slung it fiercely as Goliath advanced. Goliath was struck squarely in the forehead by the stone as it soared into the air. Goliath fell to the ground, and David won. David's bravery showed that no matter how small you are, you can overcome big challenges with faith and courage. And that young boy, David, would go on to be one of the greatest kings of Israel.